Once, Ford said in an interview, "If I were to ask people what they want, they would say faster horses." People can't even see what's coming. They can't believe that even a service can be automated. Here's the good news. What if I told you there is a new way completely outside of your current reality? What if you automate everything except the work you love? Picture having that extra time to spend on what you love. Imagine the mental clarity you'd gain by offloading that burden. This isn't just theory, it's a real step toward regaining your control and freedom. But I know what you might be thinking. But what if it doesn't work for me? What if I fail again? But I'm not technical at all, and I don't want to waste endless hours in tutorial hell. These fears are absolutely valid, but it's about having the right clear map and consistent manageable steps forward. Most importantly, it's about having a guide who shows you the way step by step and helps you get unstuck. Soon you'll have the chance to go deeper, leading to transformation and real identity level change. This is more than just learning. It's about embracing a new way of living. In the next video, I will open registration for my program, so watch for my next email. This is your chance to go deeper and truly own your life. See you inside, and don't forget to download the guide below this video, which will give you the mindset shifts you need to start this transformation. See you in the next video.